Now we are going to solve some more word problems from exercise 33. First, second, third problem you have to solve. I am solving fourth question. See the fourth question. At the most, 6 girls can sit on a bench. What is the minimum number of benches required for 45 girls to sit? 6 girls sit on one bench. Number of girls given 45. So how many benches needed for 45 girls, that you have to find out. Here hint is also given. Hint we will use after the division. See, I am showing you after division what is the hint, how to use that hint. See, first write the given things. Exercise 33, fourth question. One bench, how many girls can sit? 6 girls. Okay. Total girls given 45. So, number of benches you have to find out. Number of benches is equal to 45 divided by 6. Okay. So, do the division. 45 divided by 6. 45 is not there in 6 table. 6 8s are 48. 6 7s are 42. So that you have to take. 6 7s are 42. 5 minus 2, 3. Now see here, 3 girls are left over here. See the hint now. I am reading the hint properly. Pay attention. 45 when divided by 6 gives quotient 7. We get already that. Remainder 3. So 7 benches are occupied and 3 girls remain. So who can sit on one bench? So what we will do? See here. We are getting here answer 7. 7 benches needed, but 3 girls are remain. Yes. So for that 3 girls also one bench is needed. So what we will do? See. First we will write 7 benches and 3 girls left. You can write this way. Therefore, for 3 girls also one bench needed. That one bench and this 7 bench. So 8 benches will be needed. You can write 8 benches required for 45 girls. This is the answer. Now we will solve the next question. See, sixth question we are solving. There are 7 days in a week and 365 days in a year. How many weeks are there in a year and how many days are left? Okay. So first write the given things. Sixth question. Given things I am writing. 7 days in a week. So 1 week, 7 days. And 1 year, 365 days. How many weeks are there in a year, you have to find out. Okay. So this 365 you have to divide with the 7. So first you are writing here number of weeks in a year is equal to 365 divided by 7. So do the division. 7 5s are 35. 1 remain 15. 7 2s are 14. 1 remain. So 52 weeks are there. One more question is there, how many days are left? And 1 day is left. So your statement becomes like this. There are 52 weeks in a year and how many days are left? And 1 day left. This is your statement of both the questions. Okay. This is your 6th question answer. Now students, 10th question we are going to solve. 4764 bulbs are to be packed equally in 7 cartons. How many bulbs are there in each carton and how many bulbs are left? Okay. First write the given things. Total bulbs 4764. Total cartons 7. You have to find out number of bulbs in each carton. Number of bulbs in each carton. So what you are going to do here, 4764 divided by 7. So do the division. Here 47 is there. 7 7s are 49. 7 6 are 42 you will take. 7 minus 2, 5, 0, 6. 7 8s are 56. 0, 0. 4 bring down. 4 is not there in 7 table, so we will divide with the 0. 7 zeros are 0. Remainder 4. So you are going to write here how many bulbs are there in each carton. Question answer you have to write. There are 680 bulbs in each carton. And how many bulbs are left? And 4 bulbs are left. Remainder is always your left number. Okay, this is your 10th question answer. Remaining questions solve properly with statement, given things, solution and statement. And here our chapter ends. Question bank 1 and 2 you have to solve. Question bank 1 you are going to solve in textbook only. Okay, now question bank 2 I am going to show you which question you are going to write in notebook. See, question first in textbook, second textbook, third also textbook, fourth also in textbook. Fifth question also in textbook solve. This is also in textbook. This also in textbook. This also in textbook. And 10, 11, 12 also you are going to solve in textbook. 13 also you are going to solve in textbook. This is the word problem 14 that you are going to solve in notebook. 15 also in notebook. This is in textbook. First you solve in notebook and then find the answer and then write in notebook, textbook. 17, 18 also in notebook. Find the question and remainder. These both the questions you are going to solve in notebook. Okay. Solve slowly, not today only you have to solve everything. Within 3-4 days you have to complete it properly. Okay. So here division chapter ends. Okay.